Yeah, 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 yeah. Nawafakaza, yeah, nawafakaza, yeah, yeah. Nawafakaza, ngizabadeba lunethanza nikhuluma mangifika ngesmile. Cabanga ukuthi ngiphatha nini nadala mangifika ngiyasala ukhuluma manga ngithethe ngibuka kancane ngoba uyimpatha mangifika nangisatha ngathi bangithanda kanti banginyanya bangibukela phansi khuluma ngamabali ngisone ngiba ikhuluma sengibethile mic ngivele ngastopi kupite maran till I collapse and shut down till I see the sweat upside down all these wells will break down bafakaza manga boss now one main name down boss satan these niggas be talking like bitches they rapping like bitches they acting like bitches are heavy they keep on telling me stories about their things and how they send me fuck the whole world I'ma go and get it I keep moving man I'ma keep praying till you understand you can even tell Lord is my shit but you can give this game bangibona ngikwana ngikababaleki mangifika ngifasa ngiyashisa ngapi mangithethe ngiyanipasa ngiyashisa ngapi mangithethe ngiyasida and I give it big I'm jumping on tracks like I'm Slim Shady Eminem but it's not shady I was in my bed told me go and check it now I'm mixing form like I'm Goku rainy days like Boogie 2 I know Scooby-Doo smoking Doobie 2 if I see a star I'ma have to push ngithi ngisado push noma bangathula badla ngebhazuka funa ivula mnyango mina ngithi ngiyahluka grew up selling marijuana in a hood that time wasn't popping Doobie 2 ngijila namakruka wasn't doing good